A recent study by scientists at King's College London has identified 6 different types of coronavirus disease, or COVID-19, differentiated by varying degrees of symptoms and severity. The study's findings could help doctors predict earlier which patients are most at risk. This in turn would help them provide adequate early support and interventions so as to prevent patients from developing further complications and requiring hospitalization. The researchers used a machine learning algorithm to analyze the data they received from an estimated 1,600 app users in the United Kingdom and United States with confirmed COVID-19. Then, for confirmation, they tested the results on another independent data set of 1,000 app users in the UK, US, and Sweden. While all reported headache and loss of smell, those having the most severe forms of the disease also reported confusion, abdominal pain, and shortness of breath, symptoms not usually associated with COVID-19 but are hallmarks of it nonetheless. The 6 clusters of COVID-19 symptoms defined by the scientists are as follows. Cluster 1. Flu-like without fever. Characterized by headache, loss of smell, muscle pain, cough, sore throat, chest pain, and lack of fever. Only 1.5% of the patients needed breathing support and 16% needed hospitalization. Cluster 2. Flu-like with fever, characterized by headache, loss of smell, cough, sore throat, hoarseness, fever, and loss of appetite. Only 4.4% of the patients needed breathing support. Cluster 3. Gastrointestinal, characterized by headache, loss of smell, loss of appetite, diarrhea, sore throat, chest pain, and lack of cough. Only 3.3% of the patients needed breathing support. Clusters 4 to 6 comprise those patients who had severe forms of COVID-19. Cluster 4. Severe Level 1, fatigue, characterized by headache, loss of smell, cough, fever, hoarseness, chest pain, and fatigue. 8.6% of the patients needed breathing support. Cluster 5. Severe Level 2, confusion, characterized by headache, loss of smell, loss of appetite, cough, fever, hoarseness, sore throat, chest pain, fatigue, and confusion. 9.9% of the patients needed breathing support. Cluster 6. Severe Level 3, abdominal and respiratory, characterized by headache, loss of smell, loss of appetite, cough, fever, hoarseness, sore throat, chest pain, fatigue, confusion, muscle pain, shortness of breath, diarrhea, and abdominal pain. These patients had the most severe form of COVID-19. 19.8% needed breathing support and almost 50% needed hospitalization. Another result of the analysis of the app data is that broadly compared to patients in clusters 1, 2, and 3, those in clusters 4, 5, and 6, that is the serious ones, were found to be older and frailer, and more likely to be overweight and to have pre-existing conditions such as diabetes or lung disease. An additional fact that needs a mention here is that skin rash has now been identified by researchers as a key symptom of COVID-19. However, since it was not considered so when the above data was being analyzed, it needs further research to see how it maps on to these 6 clusters.